If you want to understand more about Tritype, you also want to read the core fears and the idealized images of the type. And I do have that on my site. You could probably even just Google it, because you're going to have all three core fears. Like as a 4 in the Tritype, that's a fear of being inadequate, flawed, defective. The 7, fear of being inferior, trapped, missing out. And by the way, they had that fear of missing out before it became a buzz term, like we have it now. People all know, but it was started by a 7, just as awesome was a 7 and hot was a 7 and cool was a 7. They are the head of the moving force within the head center. So they are very focused on hierarchies. And so they're meant to kind of be the leader of their group, not an enforcer type leader, but moving forward, interesting, setting new standards or vocabulary in a way. Other vocabulary emerges as a group, like when we're in school or as a country. All these things come into being. Now with the internet, we've got all kinds of terms and phrases.